So Freya was outside playing. She was really cold. She comes in and finds her way to my lap under the blanket. There she is. It's so dark there. I don't know if you can see. It's so cute, Freya. So, excuse the mess, though you can't really see much of it, but it's pretty messy here. So Freya's been eating these 3 kinds of dry food plus the Le Chat wet food, which honestly I don't think she was that big of a fan of this. But she's been eating Feline Bonita. It's a Swedish company, and it's like a higher quality of dry food. So she does like half and half for dry and wet food every day. But recently she's been eating more of the dry than the wet. I don't know why. In the summer, I know it just changes. She goes, sometimes she eats more wet and more dry, or more dry. It just changes. I have 3 different flavors that I use at the same time instead of buying one big. I have 3 different flavors open because I alternate between 3 different flavors because this cat is a bit picky with her food, and she, like, if I give her the same flavor for like 2 or 3 days in a row, she'll stop eating it. I have to change the flavor because she just gets sick of the same taste all the time. So, you know, one day one flavor, the next day the other one, and the next day the other one. And so I have a bowl for her dry food and a bowl for her wet food. I've been using Le Chat, and I alternate flavors with the Le Chat with other flavors. I buy a bunch of different flavors. And this is, you know, a natural wet food. It's a more higher quality wet food. But the wet food that she likes the most is there's Monge, which she likes, which is an Italian brand, and there's another brand called Pet that she likes. She doesn't like Almo Nature for like anything. She likes the dry food for Science Plan, you know, Hill's Science Plan, and she likes Royal Canin as well. So anyways, but we always just have to have different flavors of things and change between them because otherwise she won't eat it. Like, she'll just stop eating it. Yes. I don't know. But those of you who have cats, I guess, hopefully understand how much I love my cat and want her to eat. Like, if she doesn't eat, then I worry. So instead, I just alternate between flavors, and she's happy like that. Thanks for watching. Every Friday, I make Freya the Cat videos. And so if you like this video, please click like and subscribe. And Enrico's watching TV in the background, so that's what those sounds are. Bye! The movie is boring, but Freya is always cute and interesting.